Jason.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, hey.
What's your plan today?
Well, my plans are to go to Koktubey and maybe to Madeo. And I'd like to go eat at a local Kazakhstan restaurant.
That's good.
Try the local cuisine. And then I'll go see a few other things too. Whatever. I like to see statues.
And then after that?
After that?
Yes.
After
restaurants?
After I finish everything here in Almaty, I want to take a bus to Bishkek.
Not come back to here?
I'll come back here in 4 days.
Okay. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
I wish you good luck.
Okay, thanks.
And
Speedingly. Yeah. Okay.
But so
I'm just checking Madeo.
Madeo?
Yeah.
It's good.
The ice skating rink in the mountains. I didn't know about this before you told me. So I might check it out. But I'm mostly interested in the tower. Koktubey.
Yeah, that's very good.
I like towers, and I want to see the view of the city. Because I saw some photos online, and it has a good view from there.
It's good.
So
please, could you tell us about your camera?
Oh yeah.
It's Nikon, yes?
Yeah. So I have a Nikon camera. It's just a normal point and shoot, but it's a fancy one, so it has good quality, 12 megapixels. And I use this along with my video camera. And the video camera is a 4K. And I collect photos, videos, and then when I go home, I make short videos for each country I go to, like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yeah. And I also have a website, and I put the photos on the website. And I put my videos on another website. But they're just short documentary videos about places I see, people I meet, and then I narrate the story too, so it's like a story.
It's good. We can please sit.
So I really like Kazakhstan so far. I visited Astana for 4 days. I like the architecture there, the buildings. It looks very modern and futuristic. Yeah. And then Almaty, I'm gonna explore it today.
It's good.
Yeah.
Sport today?
Huh?
Sport?
Sport? I play tennis.
Tennis.
Yeah.
Big tennis, yes, or maybe table tennis.
Both.
Both.
Yeah.
In the park, big tennis there also.
Yeah, I like playing tennis and ping pong.
Ping pong?
Yeah.
It's good.
So, you know, it was raining in Astana yesterday. So it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Like maybe 18 degrees. Yeah, so I was happy to come back to warm weather. I like the hot weather. I like summer.
You like summer?
Yeah.
You're from Las Vegas, yeah? You was born in Las Vegas, or maybe in
No, I was born in Switzerland.
Switzerland?
Yeah, and then I lived in Florida and Washington State. And then when I finished school, I moved to Las Vegas. So I've been in Las Vegas for the last 12 years. But I picked up jobs in Alaska, California, Texas, Vermont, Florida, and now I work in New York City. Yeah.
You like New York City?
Yeah, so I move around a lot for my work. But every month I get 1 week off, 7 to 10 days. So I have 10 days off in July and 10 days off in August. So it gives me 3 weeks. 21 days. Actually it's 23 days, but I use 2 days for traveling this way, and I have to use 1 day to travel back. So it takes up 3 days of just travel. So I get 3 weeks here.
Your job is very interesting and romantic also.
Yeah, so I had a lot of small jobs, like skydiving job, cargo job, and bush pilot job in Alaska. And then with all this experience, I was able to get an airline job. But this is also a beginner job because I fly small jets.
Small jets?
Yeah, like 76 passengers. And after I do this for 2.5 years, which I did it, I started in 2014. I can get a better job. So next year I'm going to apply for bigger airlines. Yeah. My name is Jason, and I live in Las Vegas, and my job is airline pilot on a small airplane, so 76 passengers, and my base is in New York City. So to go from Las Vegas to New York, it takes me 4 or 5 hours. So it takes a long time to get to work.
Yes.
But that's what you have to do. So after 2.5 years experience, I'm able to apply for a better job now. So next year I'm going to do interviews for different companies that are so hopefully next year I'll have a better job and I'll work there.
And now you are traveling Central Asia.
Yeah, I travel Central Asia and to visit all the Eastern countries. Yeah.
You, I have read your profile. You visited 150 countries.
Yeah, Kazakhstan is my 150th country.
Oh, it's good.
So now I have 46 countries left.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm excited. It should take me 1 or 2 years to finish.
Would you like to visit Mongolia?
Yeah, Mongolia too. In the summer.
In summer.
Yeah, so right now I have a visa for, I'm going to Kyrgyzstan, and then I have a visa for Tajikistan. And if I can't get visas for the other countries, I'm going to fly to Mongolia. But it just depends on how much time I have left, because right now I have, I think, 15 days left.
15 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to work on August 13. Yeah. Alright.
It's for my subscribers. Green or black tea?
Green.
Green. Maybe like this is more.
Yeah. No, it's good. Yeah.
Черный чай или
черный?
Черный, да? Так, вот они. Just
Okay, so I have the GoPro. It's the Hero 4 Black Edition, and so it's really good, but there's no screen on the back. But it has 4K video, and I wanted to buy the best one because I didn't want to keep on buying more GoPros. But I don't use it that often, but it was really good because it takes photos, videos, and then also there's different functions like burst mode, and if you turn it on, it will turn on, and it also has wide angle lens. So I set it on 4K because it's the best quality. And then you can take photos, and then also multi-shot. And then there's a setup. I need to set the date because I never did it, but anyways, that's all. It's it works with a battery. Here's the battery, and then
battery mostly 1 hour. Yes, it's
yeah, it's only 1 hour good, and it works on a micro SD card. It's really small.
Small card.
Yeah, I got 32.
32.
Yeah, so yeah, it's pretty good. I should use it more often, but I use my other video camera.
And the Wi-Fi, you can use Wi-Fi, yes, internet also.
Yeah.
Because my camera also GoPro use Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Maybe way back here or here, yeah.
Yeah. So that's it for my GoPro.
And this voice, yeah, I think, yeah, microphones or.
Oh, is that the voice? Okay. Yeah, microphone and
it's
microphone.
Good, yes.
Yeah, it's really good. So.
You're glad it's good quality, yes.
Yeah, it's really good quality. I didn't have any complaints. So yeah, that's it for my GoPro.
That's good.
Yeah, alright.
Доброе утро.
Доброе утро.
Как выспались?
Хорошо.
Он спит да еще?
Нет, он прислушал.
Тоже. Погода еще такая, что спать.
Хорошо то, что не жарко.
Да?
Это точно. Это радует, как бы больше.
Да?
Потому что не жарко, можно прогуляться.
Да, это точно. Чай попили? Чай?
Да.
Отлично. Я не стала, я так 2 раза заглядываю, ну, вроде спят, вроде спят. Ну,
Вот я вроде как давно просто сейчас, наверное, сидел, все, штудировал интернет, смотрел, куда сходить можно.
Да? А вы на мой канал заходили?
Нет.
Нет еще?
Нет.
Нет. Ну, еще вы есть
А
время.
город я как бы смотрел.
Да?
Я думаю, время будет, зайду обязательно.
До субботы продлили.
Да?
Да.
Здорово.
Я считаю.
Здорово.
А сейчас какие планы?
Ну, думал, сходить у вас.
Как тебе?
Да.
То есть как раз собиралась проводить человека, вот как раз можно вместе
Да.
пройтиться.
Да.
Вместе.
Да.
Все мы вместе.
Главное, выспались, отдохнули. Да?
Да.
В общем так, а вы хотите в Эмират приехать?
Ну да, хотелось бы, конечно. Ну, я посмотрел, я вот сейчас по карте тоже сидел, смотрел. Я хочу через Пакистан, Афганистан, Иран.
И туда, да?
Так, это
Персия.
почитал по поводу, да, вот этого визы. В принципе, возможно сделать.
Да, возможно.
В принципе, ничего сложного. Просто...
Да. Так интересно, ну, В основном обслуживание там с Филиппин, вот люди с Индии, продавцы, там, не знаю, менеджеры в основном. Так, самих-то арабов очень мало.
Да.
Много вот приезжают с Омана рядом, кто вот, с Туниса, с Египта очень много там.
Тоже как получается по... Отдыхать они получается?
Отдыхать,
Или
жить.
по работе?
Не думаю, что по работе. Может быть, какая-то часть по работе, но в основном как-то вот они живут там. Такие, из всех там вот стран, вот персидских, вот, арабская вот больше, вот Эмираты, хорошо живут. И поэтому все туда едут. Вот такие дела. Пески, и все. Как-то...
Скучно, да?
Да.
Ну, в море, наверное, покупались?
Нет, не удалось.
Не получилось.
Потому что времени не было, как-то так. В основном в Дубай-Мол захотела. По городу покаталась, я думаю, хотела город как-то больше посмотреть Дубай. Но в следующий раз обязательно, потому что там говорят, что очень хорошо можно загореть. Вот шоколад, равномерный загар. Потому что я там одну девушку видела, она, кажется, с Питера. И у нее такой классный загар у нее. Вообще классно. Я такая, где вы такой загар получили? Как-то вот. Ну, вообще классно. Мне вообще загар не особо как-то нравится, но вот у нее вот прям получилось вообще. Мне так понравилось. Интересно. Обычно же как загар? Здесь в каком-то части загорело, в каком-то части нет, там посветлее как-то. А у нее все равномерно, все полностью. Это вообще такой шоколадный цветик интересный, молочный такой. Очень много туристов. Что вы заметите, очень много гостей, туристов. С России очень много, там, с Украины, вот, тоже с Казахстана. Даже я, когда в кафе сижу, там вот я смотрю, из наших, там смотрю, из наших. Потом один говорит, Кимон, да, ну вот, садись рядом, что ты там, типа, сидишь, как не родная.